Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Ala Suci Rabadani, Kombiko Alia. I am 20 years old and I am currently working in a company PT Paper and Food Bintan. I was live in Tanjung Uban City. I am originally from Indonesia, come from Sumatera Trip. My hobby is swimming and cooking. My favorite food and drink are ramen and matcha. I take my leave. Thank you all. See you.